Ganito katindi ang inabot ng nooy WBC lightweight champion sa kamay ng nooy pinakamabangis na boksingero na si Manny Pacquiao.
How many moves? Down he goes, and Dracula stops the fight. They should have never got to that.
Ang Pacquiao versus Diaz nga ang isa sa pinakamakasaysayang laban para sa mga Pinoy at Asyano matapos maging number 1 pound for pound boxer at nag-iisang Asyano na naging 5 division world champion nang talunin ni Pacman ng nooy WBC lightweight champion na si David Diaz. August 28, 2008 nang subukan ni Pacman na umakyat sa lightweight division para tangkain na maging 5 division world champion. Bago ang laban ay sinabi naman ng trainer ni Diaz na si Jim Strickland na kung matatalo ang kanyang alaga ay magre-retiro na ito sa kanyang propesyon. Kaya naman nagtuloy-tuloy pa din ang pagiging trainer ni Strickland pagkatapos ng laban. Sa kabila naman ng sinabi ng trainer ni Diaz ay nanatili pa din ang respeto ng Mexicano kay Manny Pacquiao na hindi nagbibitaw ng mga salitang nakakabasto sa ating kababayan. Masasabi ngang si Diaz ang Mexicano na pinakamarespeto sa mga nakalaban ni Pacman kung ikukumpara sa mga nakaharap nito.
A moment of sportsmanship here.
Ang laban nito kontra kay Pacman ang ikalawang title defense nito sa kanyang WBC belt kung saan may record ito na 34 wins, 17 by knockout at 1 loss. Habang ang challenger naman na si Pacman na nooy WBC Junior Lightweight Champion naman ay may record na 46 wins, 34 by knockout at 3 losses. Ating balikan kung paano kinawawa ni Manny Pacquiao ang pinaka-humble at pinaka-marespeto na Mexicano na nakaharap nito.
Of some possible deterioration.
Unang round pa lamang ay naging advantage na ni Pacman ang kanyang speed. Naging epektibo naman ang 1-2 combinations at uppercut nito na nakakalusot sa depensa ni Diaz.
But he's trying to find a way to come up between the gloves. But Pacquiao is boxing today. Combinations by Pacquiao. Many of the punches. His movement is a lot different than I've ever seen him fight. For the first time, he's got somebody that. Uppercut by Pacquiao. Mixing his punches brilliantly. Catches Diaz with a left hand. Slows down. It's going to be hard for him to do anything offensive. And a smile and a nod from David Diaz to Pacquiao as if to say, yeah, I get it. I understand why you're so great.
Sa round 2 naman ay nagtamo na agad ng cut sa ilong si Diaz dahil sa mga kombinasyon ni Pacman na hindi nito magawang iwasan.
And you heard Freddie Roach very pleased. Again, the uppercut. Again, a body shot from Diaz. Doing a beautiful job of boxing. Put this combination. Good left hand by Diaz. Caught Pacquiao right between left hand lead over the top. And another uppercut. But he has not been landing. Those punches are not landing. Job with his tight guard. And those. Storm looking for him. I don't know if he's going to keep up this pace because normally he moves around. But I don't know if he can keep that up all throughout the whole fight. Big left over the top by Pacquiao. Big left over the top by Diaz. Blood coming from the right eye of David Diaz. The manager of Diaz normally works in those fights.
Sa round 3 ay sinusubukan ni Diaz na makipagsabayan, subalit hirap na hirap naman ito sa mga jab at right hook ni Pacman na pinupunteriya ang ulo at katawan nito.
Again with that right hook, right uppercut combination. Cut combination. Tremendous work with the right hand by Pacquiao. Two body shots from Diaz, and a third one is...
Round 4 naman na magtamo ng cut sa kanang mata si Diaz mula sa accidental headbutt na lumala naman habang tumatanggap ng mga suntok na hindi nito malaman kung saan nanggagaling. Subalit sa halip naman na umatras ay sinubukan ni Diaz na makipagpalitan ng suntok kay Pacman.
And Vic Dracula calls a halt to the action so that David Diaz's nose cut can be examined. Blinding advantage is when at distance, Pacquiao would be able to cut Diaz up. Diaz's only response is to get more aggressive and try to do more damage, and that's what he's trying to do, leaving himself open holes.
Speed is just too much. And the fact that Pacquiao's doing everything and moving and twisting and pivoting.
A southpaw Jack Dempsey in the lightweight division. And he's leading from above the right eye's works. Cover up against these onslaughts. Manny Pacquiao is simply too fast and too good. They throw at the same time. The difference in hand speed is so evident.
With a hand speed as well as a foot speed like that. Diaz.
Round 5 naman ay tuloy-tuloy pa din sa pag-abante si Diaz sa kabila ng tindi ng parusa na tinamo nito.
Dude is concerned. He won't take no for an answer. Hard right hand by Pacquiao. Uppercut stuns Diaz again. Leading with hooks, crosses, and uppercuts. Pacquiao more or less dispensing in the face of all that comes forward. No, well, consider this. In 2 fights against Pacquiao, Marquez would have won both fights. Now Diaz gets a couple of answers in there. What guts! What determination by David Diaz. Hard left hand by Diaz momentarily stops the Pacquiao assault.
Round 6 ay tuloy-tuloy pa din sa pagtanggap ng parusa si Diaz, subalit hindi pa din ito sumusuko sa laban sa kabila ng lumalalangkat nito sa kanyang mata.
Despite everything he's taken, he's not exactly a power puncher either. No way Diaz will quit. He's totally willing to go out on his shield. So that puts out as he continues to fire resolutely in round 6. For this era in boxing,
The cut seems to be a big factor. So, actually,
Nagpakita naman ng kakaibang tibay ng loob at tapang si Diaz sa round 7 na mas pinili makipagsabayan kay Pacman kahit na pagod na ito.
he's a crafty taker for boxer in this fight.
let me just reinterpret what
In this fight, unless they end up with another disqualification.
look at the combinations. Artistic brilliance. That's what Manny Pacquiao. He wasn't as fast as Armando Santa Cruz. Got that done. So don't tell David Diaz he doesn't have a chance.
Plus, he says when even in class, he spends more time signing autographs than he does doing homework or studying.
Sa round 8 naman ay unti-unti nang humihina ang katawan ni Diaz, habang si Pacman naman ay umaalalay na lang sa mga suntok na pinapatama nito dahil na din sa tindi ng tinatamo ni Diaz sa mga nakaraang round.
Did at 126 and 130. And Emmanuel, I think the early returns, maybe is if anything, he looks faster.
He looks massive,
Fires a straight jab, comes forward to make clear I'm still a fighter. I'm not going to get hurt by continuing to take punishment in a fight where he's not going to go down, not going to get knocked out.
all of it. But it's no problem. So it's just about
And the medical supervisors at ringside to deliver mercy on their
stopping the fight.
increasingly on the defensive. Diaz has less and less to offer.
Round 9 naman ay hindi na kinaya ni Diaz sa mga malalakas na suntok na pinakakawalan ni Pacman. Kahit na gustong-gusto na pa nito na lumaban, ay hindi naman nakaya ng kanyang katawan.
Not a knockout puncher, so he's not going to try to perform a one-punch miracle. He does something for the fight eventually.
He's had his moment in the sun. He's got pay-per-view benefits if the buy rate rises above a certain level. Tremendous straight left-hand shot from how many more? Down he goes, and Rakic stops the fight.
He should have never got to that.
Nagtapos ang laban sa pamamagitan ng 9-round technical knockout kung saan itinigil na ng referee ang laban matapos bumagsak si Diaz. Sa post-fight interview naman ay makikita ang pagiging sportsman ni Diaz kung saan kinausap pa nito si Pacman.
A moment of sportsmanship here.
Samantala, sinabi naman ni Diaz na hindi nito kinaya ang bilis ni Pacman. Nagbiro pa nga ito na akala nga daw niya na pati si Coach Freddie Roach ay sumusuntok na din sa kanya sa laban.
Yeah, he was too fast. Fucker was too fast.
Did you have any idea coming in that he could be that way?
No. I seen him on tape and stuff like that, but I was like, I could deal with that speed, you know? The power is what I wanted to worry about. But it wasn't so much about, it was just that he was so fucking fast, man. Fast.
Amazingly fast.
Fucking amazingly fast. I was like, I thought Freddie was in there fucking hitting me too. So,
Matapos matalo kay Pacman ay nagkaroon na pa ng 4 na laban si Diaz, subalit hindi na ito ganoon kabagsik. Nagtala ito ng 2 panalo at 2 talo sa kanyang huling 4 na laban bago ito tuluyang nagretiro. Habang si Manny Pacquiao naman ay patuloy ang pamamayagpag sa boxing at naging kaisa-isang 8th Division World Champion.